The Xiaomi 15 and Xiaomi 15 Pro will be the first two phones to use Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC, if past rumors pan out. They are apparently due to arrive in October, and this is the first look as far rumors. New leak: Xiaomi 15 passed EEC certification. This Xiaomi 15 renders. Which one looks better? Xiaomi 15 certification has confirmed the fact that the phone has 90W wired charging support. The Xiaomi 15 Pro will have a thickness of 8.5mm and weigh around 220 grams. And now some details about their main camera have been outed. Leaked from the prolific digital chat station, the Xiaomi 15 and 15 Pro will both feature a customized OmniVision 50MP main snapper with a 1/1.3-inch sensor size and a large aperture. The phones will also have a new multi-layer anti-reflection coating on the lenses, which is supposed to enhance light transmittance and reduce glare and ghosting. The Xiaomi 15 Pro may even get a periscope telephoto, a feature Xiaomi has recently reserved for its Ultra devices only. The Xiaomi 15 series feature a Dragon crystal glass panel with 2K resolution ultra-clear full-depth full-screen with IP68 waterproof. Xiaomi 15 series running Xiaomi Hyperos 2.0 new L interaction experience. Speculation suggests that the 15 Pro could significantly improve its battery performance with a high-density 6000 mAh silicon carbon negative electrode battery. It will support 90W wired charging and likely 50W wireless charging. Features a 6.3-inch compact flat screen, with even narrower borders and enhanced front design with up to 120Hz refresh rate support. We can expect to see the Xiaomi 15 series released somewhere in December 2024 for the China launch, before welcoming it to the global stage in January 2025. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.